Hi guys, Belinda here, welcome back. Today I'm working on a 12 by 14 or is it a 12 by 16 inch canvas. And I'm going to do something different today. And I seem to be doing different stuff all the time. So I'm going to lay down some white. There's my base coat. And if you hear any thunder and lightning, it's because it is storming. We've actually just gone into autumn, but it's still pretty hot here, hence why it is storming, I suppose. I think a lot of, the northern hemisphere now will be obviously preparing for spring. Lucky you. Okay, so I just gave this a bit of a shake up, hence all the bubbles. Okay, so I'm just covering my right up to the edges. I'll just run my hand or my fingers around the edges just to get them nicely covered. Alright. So this thing I'm using here is just it's a cake spatula thing. Been using it absolutely for years doing my acrylic pouring. I do find it comes in quite handy at times. Okay. So let's cover those edges. So guys, if you look in the description box below, you will find the paints that I've used, how I've mixed my paints as well. So you can either click on the title and it'll bring up the description box, or you can click on the little down arrow. And if you're new here and you haven't subscribed yet, if you are watching this on your cell phone and you turn your cell phone sideways to get a bigger image, there will be a little red subscribe button on your right hand corner. And if you'd like to go and click on that, that would be fantastic. Okay, so now that we've got all that done, right, so let's torch that. Okay, so now to decide. So these two colors here, so that's the yellow, this is a lighter green. Those are actually perlex, so they do have a bit of bling. Not sure if you can see that. Yeah, a little bit. So this is the consistency I'm using. Okay, so let's go in and I'll put the darker green there. And yellow. And then I'll go in with this burnt orange that I made up. And I think I'm going to do some burnt orange about here. Maybe I'll just put some yellow down here. And then I'll put some of this lighter orange on top. Use some of that light green. That pearlescence, it really glistens and gleams really nicely. And right, so I have a different color, a lighter shade of that same green. It's actually Phato Green. And then let's go in with the yellow. And we'll go in with that color, which is the burnt orange. And I might go in with a bit of this lighter orange, which is actually fluorescent orange. And what next, guys? Should we go in with this rest of this green, Phato Green, the darker? Might as well use it up. Okay, what color do we need here now? Maybe some of this lighter green again. Okay, so how about we give that a torch? See if I can zoom you in. You can see some cells popping up, and I don't have any silicone in there. Let's see. Okay. Now I'm going to use my garden fork. I think I might just go this way. Wipe it off. Let's go this way. No. Like so. And then, let's see. I'm just wondering if I should go that way and join up there, or if that's going to be a bit too much. Let's see. Let's tilt this a little bit. Okay guys, I actually quite like that just the way it is. But in saying that, now that I've tilted it, I do feel like this one needs something. So I'm going to just go straight off into that corner there. Okay guys, I'm going to give this another torch and then I'll bring you in for a close-up. Okay guys, so I'm hoping that you can see the pearlix shimmering. Not sure how to get the angle right. That rain is unbelievable. It's so cool, looks like a creature of some sort. That one looks like, what's that vegetable called? Can't remember now. Artichoke, maybe? Okay guys, thank you so much for watching and joining me today. Don't forget to scrape your bottoms and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks guys, bye.